Allora, amici, ben trovati. È una felicità trovarvi tutti per bene. Noi siamo appena tornati. Eccoci qua di nuovo.
Yeah.
We're back from Italy.
Yeah.
And
Elenia.
the little girl here,
Not so little.
she just had a license this morning.
I got my
So,
license.
We have another driver.
The youngest one in the family, not so young anymore.
16, you're a baby yet.
The last one.
The last one, yes. Anyway,
we just want to say we love and appreciate all the support you guys have given us. If you please are watching and not subscribed, please subscribe. We are just a loving family who's growing and who's trying to show our Nonna's recipes online, original recipes. What we're doing today is from Sicily. And we would really appreciate if you would subscribe, give our videos some love, share our videos, share them with your family, your friends, your loved ones, and just like, comment,
we would
and
like
subscribe.
our channel to grow. And
Yeah.
of course, we need your support and your help.
Absolutely.
And for me, I very much appreciate you guys. And I'm looking forward to work with you. Let's do this together.
Yeah.
Thank you in
Nice.
advance.
Okay. So what are we making today?
Today we're gonna make chicken marsala, and I would like to talk about this recipe a little bit. This recipe was made in Sicily, and the Marsala wine was, I don't know if any of you know, in Sicily there is a city named Marsala, which they produced this wine and they gave them the name of the city. And then the women of Sicily, they tried to marry this wine with meat, how to cook it with it. Because this is a very sweet wine, it's especially for cooking.
Okay.
And it was fine, and they passed it to their friends, it grew, but it stays in Sicily. Then, in the middle of the 19th century, in the 50s, a lot of Sicilian people, either they go Milan or Turin to get to work because there was no work in Sicily. A lot of them, they migrate in the US of America. And this dish just exploded.
So
But now I see some people cook the chicken marsala with mushroom. There is no mushroom. With cream, and there is no cream. And the originally recipe chicken marsala is made like this. And this is what I'm showing you. The mushroom are optional. The cream are optional. If you wanted to put it on, by all means, just do it. But originally it's made just with the marsala wine.
okay.
All right.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what do we need? We need obviously chicken breasts.
Yes, and I already cut the chicken breast and
look
potted
wet.
with a mallet, like
Yeah.
yes.
So you cut them in half.
Yes,
Mallet
I
them down.
put some little bit of oil and parsley and salt. I just marinate it like this.
Perfect.
Now, we turn to this way, and we have vegetable oil for frying because olive oil is too heavy. Okay, so we gonna put our stove on.
Is there a big difference between olive oil and vegetable oil?
Yes, honey, vegetable oil, it can be made by nuts.
Sorry.
It can be made by vegetables. And the olive oil, it's made only with olive. And the virgin olive oil, it's the first oil that comes out when they press their olives.
Is that butter?
So yes,
How much?
so you
It's like
have
chunk.
extra virgin, and this is just aroma. Like if you can see, there is a rosemary, just to garlic and perfume the oil, aromatic of the
Okay.
oil.
Do you want water?
Now, we put a couple of a tablespoon of oil,
A butter.
about it, and a little bit of oil because we have to fry all the chicken.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. We just dusted with the flour, and like I said, I already put oil, so I didn't put anything in the flour.
Okay. Our parsley's coming off. This is an issue.
No, it's
I can do
I
I can do ASMR because the microphone's right here.
No.
There's fur on your microphone.
Must be yours.
I don't
We
check.
have to wait for the oil to
Heat up.
No. You know what my favorite part about driving is? I can have the music as loud as I want.
You just got it today. Oh my
Try
god.
to concentrate.
But you have to
You're
concentrate
going.
because you have
So I heard something.
That's not
to.
a thing.
You went to karaoke one night in Sicily.
Oh, this was funny.
And not in Rome. In Rome.
It was in yet.
Oh, in Rome? Okay, you were not, you already added the Sicily.
Mm.
Okay, and somebody brought you to Roses?
Oh, there's more than that. But yeah.
It was more than roses, but yeah.
Okay, what? Tell me, I would like to know these
Okay,
details.
so basically,
They were on YouTube or on Facebook. Dad posted them.
basically what happened was we were at the karaoke, right? But nobody was singing, and then a lady comes up to
Of
me.
course, you went to sing.
Yeah, and
Of
then
course.
Well,
she was like, "Want to sing?" And I'm like, "Okay." So I saw Mamma Mia, and then this guy, I'm not gonna name drop because we're filming, but this guy was like, oh no. He was singing along with me, and then he went up and sang "Shake It Off" by Taylor Swift.
True match in heaven.
And
From there.
let me show. I'm gonna find this video and show you, Nonna. He was an icon.
and he was from the States.
He was
Oh,
from
yeah, he
North
was from the
Carolina,
States,
yeah.
Of
And
course.
then he was shaking his butt and everything. It was so.
so fruity.
Yeah, he was a little fruity. But it
Anyways,
was
he's
so-
an actor.
And he was an
Oh, he's
actor.
an actor.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's loading.
We just don't put it so loud.
I saw it.
You
You
did
did
see
show me.
You saw this?
Yes.
That's
Okay.
it. Oh my God.
Was he working in Rome?
No.
No, he was.
Keep traveling.
Look at him.
Vacation.
Hey, pretty good.
Yeah.
And he was. Anyways, and he was very funny. And then I asked him after he's done, I was like, because all of us were cheering and clapping and sorry, I'm in front of the camera. And then we were like, oh, like where are you from? And he's like, North Carolina. Let me pull up a chair and sit. And so then he pulls up a chair
He said with you
and
guys.
sits with my family.
Yeah, he sat there for a while.
And I'm just trying to drink as much pina coladas as I can.
Was he trying to bother your dad half a little bit?
No.
No, Dad was loving
They all
it.
just kept their mouths shut
Dad?
and just for peeing their pants.
Dad and Gab were pissing themselves laughing.
The guy's 20 years old. Elenia's 16.
But
So we're all just laughing because we're like, well, this is not going anywhere, and we know it's not going anywhere.
Well, you're traveling, and then you say goodnight, goodbye, and then
He asked me, what am I doing for schooling?
So
Okay.
she lied.
What did you do? I'm an university student.
I said, oh, like I'm in cosmetology school. And he goes,
What
that's,
is he doing?
No, she.
Oh.
I'm in cosmetology. And he's like, oh, that's so cool. I'm an actor.
Okay.
And so I said I'm in college because he's also in college. And then he's like, let's go up and sing a song.
About?
Anything.
It's not just a
What
song.
did you guys sing?
Style.
Are you singing to you?
We're
No.
singing together.
Just for fun.
And then we
Oh, okay.
sang. And then the rose guy came up. And he was like, let me buy you. And he bought me 2 roses.
Wow, we must have been impressed by you, I guess.
Yeah, and then he
16
Can
going
you
on
give
30.
me that dish there?
And then he never asked me my age. No, it's good. He never.
Lasagna.
Yeah.
Can you open
Oh.
this and put that inside?
What is this, Nonna?
That's lasagna.
Not for us tonight, right?
Why?
What do you mean, why? Look at all the. Oh my god.
What? Don't you have to have supper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we
well.
thought this was
Anyways, let me continue my Peter and Justin story.
Okay, finish your story.
And then that was that. And then he left and asked for my Instagram. And then I had to take off the post.
Did
that
he
said,
ask you for your phone number or anything
no, my
like that?
Instagram.
Oh.
And then he asked, and then I had to take down the post that said I was 16 years old.
Mm.
And then, and then.
Oh, she's not
She
telling
lied.
the truth, so I cannot take her serious.
And then the same night, the same night, I met this other guy.
Yeah, but I
As we were leaving,
a little
no.
bit weirdo.
No, he was the love of my life.
Are you for real? You're 16, honey.
And then I'm not gonna say his name, but then his name was Peter.
Love of her life.
I'm gonna turn it off.
What a big word you use.
And then, not actually. You know who the love of my life was? His name was Manuele.
Manuele. Oh my gosh.
Is another one?
No, it was our boat
He
skipper.
drove our boat.
Yes, I saw
He
him.
let me drive the boat. Anyways, and then I sang karaoke Bohemian Rhapsody with Dad and this guy, Peter, me and his sister. And then later,
Was he a part of that family?
yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
No, not the New Yorkers.
Oh, that's what I thought.
No.
Oh, they were the
Yeah.
randoms that we were like, what the heck, we were next.
Yeah. Anyways, we sing with them.
1 second. So we're frying, we put it aside, and we
Those
finish
cooked?
frying all the pieces. No, they're not cooked. They're going to the
Okay.
stove.
Okay. Okay, good. And then after we sang, I saw him later the night, and he's like, "Let me buy you a shot."
Oh my God.
So then he bought me a shot, and then he got my phone number. He asked for my phone number.
Did he call you?
No, but we text.
Oh my God, Elenia.
Also-
Where is this guy from?
Ohio.
Yeah, but he's also older, so it's not going
No, he's
anywhere.
younger.
You're still a minor,
I think he was like 9. I think he just.
regardless.
I think he's like 18, 19. Hey.
Wow, that's old.
But then
So old.
that's okay. Age ain't nothing but a no. I'm joking. I would never bring home an 18-year-old as a 16-year-old. A 17-year-old probably, but never a 16.
I'm shocked that your dad and your mom
That
was
didn't
there.
say
They didn't
anything?
say
Tell-
nothing. Yeah, he's just like 18. Oh my God.
Now that the chicken has been lightly cooked, not fully cooked through in the pan, Nonna's getting another pot pan to be able to saute her mushrooms.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 teaspoons, 3, maybe 4, 5 at that point.
Sorry, my fat leg.
And then into the pan they go.
Are those more mushrooms?
Can you find me the spice garlic? The top part. Right there.
Oh,
I didn't even notice. Wow!
powder? Garlic powder?
Like, I feel like I should be wearing my snow boots. It's basically Christmas.
Now some salt.
Can salt go bad?
No.
Now pepper.
I was home from Italy and I was making the grilled cheese and I put cheese on my bread and it was molded. It was so bad. I was very sad. And we just got eggs. Like, is Haley using the oven?
Yeah,
Is she at work?
I'm on watch here.
Me personally,
This is supposed to be.
what is that? What is that? What is that?
No, it's I don't know. The aftermath of the chicken.
It's like chunky.
no,
That's where the
chicken.
the flavor is, and that will make the sauce.
Okay, so just so everybody is aware, the pot that Nonna had fried the chicken in, she left the juices
Because
and then
it is the flour, so it's a roux, it's like a gravy.
yeah,
And then when you put the wine, it becomes a sauce.
comes the sauce.
Yeah.
Okay?
Did you see that Tama Curry was dipped in gold?
No.
She She did Lollapalooza.
You want to have a cream, this is the time to put it on.
Us personally,
No cream.
no cream.
I know.
Just Marsala wine.
Because that's what we like to do in this house.
Okay.
That's the traditional way of doing so.
This is the way it was
Invented.
invented. Well, I don't know if you can call it invention when you make a dish, but anyway.
I know what you mean. It looks like iced
And
tea.
you have this. A little rust.
Can I try it?
Just a second. First I want to put this and then you can try it if you want.
Pepsi will do it.
Anyway, what about...
Yeah, they actually have,
So,
okay.
we moved those 2 pots with the mushroom and chicken and just regular chicken into the oven. And how long in there?
20 minutes they're done.
20 minutes. 20 to
we
half
have
hour.
lasagna there, so they say even a little longer, no big deal.
20 minutes to half an hour in the oven. Okay, we'll see you guys after. Everybody, so they were in there for about
20 minutes.
Yeah, half an hour more so. But this is the one with the mushrooms, this is one without the mushrooms, and it's ready to be served. You take it out of the oven and you're ready to rock and roll. Maybe
Bon
wait for it to...
appetit.
Yeah,
And it was easy dish,
it was.
very fast really,
Yeah,
and it's done.
it's done.
It's done. And buon appetito.
Yeah.
And we'll see you guys in what? In next week you guys have a wedding, right?
Yeah, we do have wedding.
We'll see you when this video gets posted.
Okay, if we're not, yeah, but we can make it next week. You can have the other.
Yeah, the other one there.
Okay,
Absolutely.
next week, and have a good week, and
Yeah.
make sure
To like.
if you can to
Okay.
please help us make the channel grow.
Absolutely, we would appreciate
Please
that.
help us and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good week.
Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.